show you how to download GTA 5 on PC. First, open your Steam, then click the Store section. Search for the game, GTA 5 in the search column. Click the game and enter your date of birth. Continue to view page. After that, add it to cart. Click View My Cart. Go to Continue to Payment. Then choose what payment you will make. There are PayPal, Visa, and others. Then continue. Check this. Then go to Payment. After payment is complete, go to Library. Your game is ready, but it must be downloaded first. Click Download. Choose Location for Install. Then Next. Once the download is complete, your game is ready to play. Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.